We also had a bit of a rethink for our production company logo. So far, up until now, we had only been testing different styles of how we wanted it to look. We came up with one still logo that had a black puddle of ink below the text. Although we were pleased with how this turned out, we weren't fully satisfied with it. We decided we want the one that moved and made a noise to make our company look more professional and appealing to the customers. We wanted it to look as if it was being typed out on a typewriter. So first of all, we found a picture of a typewriter and paper on the internet, saved the image, and then imported it into Final Cut at the beginning of our film. We then used LiveType, which is a program especially for Mac computers. With this program, we designed our text and what it would look like. We decided upon a typewriter style of text, so it looked more realistic and as if it was actually on a typewriter. We then made the letters appear one by one in the style of a typewriter. We then saved this piece of text and imported it onto our timeline on Final Cut, which was the program we're using to edit our film, which was pretty straightforward. We put it on top of the picture of the typewriter paper and then moved it around so it was centered. Using freesounds.com, we downloaded the sound of the typewriter keys. We imported this into Final Cut and put it over the top of the text, so it looked as if the typewriter keys were making a noise as they were being pressed. This just made it look more realistic and more professional. And finally, we also downloaded the sound of the swiping noise, which comes at the end of writing something on a typewriter. This ended our animated logo and gave a really nice effect. The typewriter style of logo links in well with our film noir styled film, as back in the 1940s and 50s, typewriters would have been the sort of things that they used, and so having this logo at the beginning of our opening to our film gives the audience an idea as to what style of film it is. This is our final finished moving animated logo.